nkomo aba beto dwa sesia ha no ye nya ne tie se Cedi no sabre na hoden no ade a ekofom na ekofom no we are told say interbank rate no sabre amene ukase ababegina 11 cedis ebre bi atwam ho no na it was hovering between 10 and then 10.9 ye bisa se den na akwakoma no aba ne sei
yo mecha otiefo ina
SOMPA FM
cheve uko foreign exchange market mo a ye tie ne say emre bia so u follow ni ya a free July ending ekopim September ending ya na foreign currency demand na cost the NTS and say Sabri na womo a bronya bre ni ma ompeso mo de ba ni ade nyina obi a okwo obi no inkudru September ending na wonya order na oni ama kra bia emedru ha nti ade we pattern we no awo hoda da as far back as 80s and ye dealers foreign exchange na the NTS mamu hono se mo hono sa ne se ba abedru 10 ni ade ne nipa ni akwo pa nti ebonu mu ase kakra bia no obi e kan se ade na okofo but the tisa and say a shasi no na Bank of Ghana intervene here. Okay, this last month or just about $825 million. And don't forget say a fan for petroleum. Fan one I fan one a quota. When your money decana but mukwaya ma mubino a woman in decama. Nti ne kwaya kofom no enye kofom e huki. It is a currency depreciated about 42% last year, not this year. But depreciated means about 10% and I be and Chile to be brave. Now, IMF worker, when the World Bank for can other professors speak and say, the one really now intervene peace, and more torn near ma. Was a any crew man, I never come in here, make country and say, yeah, your Maya, a cotobeton guani in him. Ama piti se la Côte d'Ivoire na moyo ton enye koko nko emgu ya yedi se ukoma enwo we Unilever BV Netherlands o moto o mu nyina wa Ivory Coast kwadu pineapple cocoa coffee ndi ye de ni nyina cocoa ena na nse gold kakra ba kan ho ndi ese kan sikika no sihye ye ho a ese ye ka che o mu aye pene se womo so ye momodi inside the other countries here betimi aton pi because they will turn no and na bo mo si gina unfortunately here no kotobeton ye kofan konfo ne ma begu a ne per dollar a country be anywhere e cost us amani ye nti kan bia bo so bi kan dollar no kofom ne wa bu san na dollar na kofom bu kura no ni sika no gina ho ne bi na de ba wo koko na good and as I say, remittances kakraba kaho. Apart from that, no, and can any ton both sides here ton we nina ya jaiton. Nina ya jai. So the only kuba boni mupe na Ghana for us near can. Okay. Here try see a very encouraging exports near my ye. Na ya jai kofabra bibia kofaba. Mama can some crunch show.
You.
And now what ya USA 4-year report to be or more. Emo. We see a tomo over 1 billion over the last close to about 1909 better minute. Every year biao and more a crabby no. Among every year bia and sana and kuku ya and ne kuku ye Africa sukwa and crank or mao. Yen ya crank kuku ba 500 million every year. In the other in kuku yentimi yan kuku poultry. You swano na agricare uko kwada swa. Nanko for ye papa ye and ye beef concentrate na kwa da ko so dianko kwe ile ni nyina ye yegum nti sidi ni bonu mu amso pe sidi ni gosro imported the present sidi ka o mon connect but also ton kakra bi na oton nti si anye ya adwin se ye be export more ni de bi area rate na na ye be hwa ka ho asana e be drum e bi ni nya bi akora we de be pass service.
Okay, but you know ye betimi aka no say sabri aye dollar na ewo ye memu ha no brofo kasamu ye beka say it is limited in supply ye betimi aka no say na
Oh, it's always limited in supply. Supply and demand determine price of a currency. You can't foreign currency. Never will be our tongue and then your water and a chill currency now. Now, until financing a good by the county, near total near my in Yakuko 2 billion. Now remittance amount 2 billion. BBM account. And then I go to BB contributing an account. And you see a per currency, Gina, Ghana for TD and Mecano. As I see a tone near my man on it, as in your auto. Because I did great years in your talk. If you want to make a talk, one who credit that. Oh, $50 the bone once you're not gonna put in a dollar. Dollar no coffin fee say, Yantonia Mawaman on it, the Atonia Mawaman on it, as in your tongue. Simple as that. Ubibeka was in a safer, a war, a Cote d'Ivoire, a bag by a French for Yanocre, or Monton Yamapa. Nyama ye to kroma makoho nyama ye to ba kroma nya hosa na ma ye to koho nti si anhwe ya bedroom e bi nya bibia nkoto dollar no megina ho na dollar no pound no begimi dollar begimi nti enye agency say government Ghana Export Promotion Council so see a cry because it be a sida those days time na ho time like we see a ho time and export promotion pineapple we have recourse at the whole world you know
yeah
and so you change call MD2. It's what you MD2. You cry, you can't win it.
I do where okay no. We are talking about Ghana Hanyama ye crabano. Na a dozen ye change the yen cry the quamanoni. So a cobana sadia ye see no. Ya hoarding no ebe bafom. But that has always been the case over the years. So we are asking.
It shouldn't be the case. It shouldn't be the case. We should put a good strategy to go to export. You are Sasida. Yani actually one assassin in and we are making meaning Papa Kumasia. Asasia Wajiwo a manting episode Griamo Masa Echo Minty of Meko. And so when Yam will be and flew Biaho. A monocrack of Aba. Near Kofa, a Yinan, Cradi Bakubia Michelle and Jimmy will be the social media. Say plastics and yede mo afra plastic o ne atwa ne yede mo afra
am say salfo nyini kra me hu
amasa wo hu de mi che
me hu pa
so papa atwa mo me call papa na fum emo wa twa mo no say obi an kire no quality ene obi an ya mo ano food research amoano health research amoano wa ko bia mo no emo no gu ho e se ka sa mo ye to man kwala ko di ko school no nanka ye bia ne ye to na adwuma eba ye go mu bia ne ye to ne ye po mo ne de man kwala didi no oh yeah no you who value chain na break go for na ye kan say Cedi no conform Cedi no conform
but who say aye solutions na wo profit nyina no ebe long term your friend is saying solutions na enimanu ye then partner was a Bank of Ghana a year ebetimi ma sa you know ye Cedi na sabre na hoden no eso eteka kra no ebe gina bebie gina sempo no ntimi ngina ekokra na enko ni pisa
Bank of Ghana de wenye fa kotu ho no de ato ho no ene wo de bem nti se woni bi to wa wotimi ko bobo sian pa mehim titi wona na yetimi titi wona yetimi ko money market international money ne ko boro ba ni adeka ni abefa dollar ne de abehim ne de ahe eno ye false hope eno na ama ye ka ye die ye ko bo ka bebre ye hu ye hu ano no wo ko je foreign euro bond ba no aba Bank of Ghana for na fa dollar no ne de Cedi na ama ye na ye ka the main person is a short term, no, they say. As I see a cutting a coat according to our cloth. It's as simple as that. Uti chrome auto tomatoes, free Burkina Faso. Uti chrome auto tomatoes free Burkina Faso. JD, me say, me free Kumazi, me mame, ni auto tomatoes de ko waga, me mame, ye to kwabre, na mame de butro kuma ko waga, and ye top waga. I mean, as I can see, I hear near kind of long term, no short term, near me any go. A bedroom $1 ni be any ho. Dollar ya more time when you bring euro. They say gold in our money muso. Gold here 3,300 and something. And I'm to me. After I see you came now go there 1,800.
Yeah.
They go to back for my dollar no be anti-free, cedi no be anti-free. It's simple.
Because a year the chief executive officer Emma the bank association the Ghana Association of Banks John Ewa Edin Komo na asemo o de atu dwana ne say Womani Bank of Ghana for a shese on bepe kwan bi so a womo betimi a regulating measures bi a ebetimi as a promote ye cedi no. And of course, one of such measures are on can say Yaba limited large foreign exchange withdrawals not backed by deposits. And also,
no crowd here. John Kahwan, and you know one of the determined currency. That's how. Look, the determined currency near Niama or Tong and any Okoto. Now the Abane say, you no go for buy any say, and conform fact. Physical cash, dollar no go to bank and euro and pound. Almost Sikawa Manonia, no mabaha. Near go yanko pay $1 million in Vermont, near Vermont Afako. One for $1 million cash I'm at work. What do you mean $1 million? Your rules no, Bank of Ghana notices. I will order that. I will order that. To Dr. Professor Kwesibuke Chama, and I'm a war bank, and I be foreign currency dealer. Now, in Tinyafufru. Nayan, you may be. You told me, Yashamra in Yamayankin, Yankinamuisha, Yanchemukina. Did you all come more Cassie and side? Yet, because one who cooperating now for £5, a good play mobile. You come on here, or you pay dollar a try, it's a account more UK and our pound. Near Kajon say, and then for plane, insurance, a free bank or boat, no more airport, insurance, that's all, security, transport. The African to be 5%. What the baby crew man, nay 5%. 5%, no. What the baby in us when you crop a Janakas or 5% or in a body. Because you $1 will crum her. Now, Ghana for 1 year, pound, dollar, euro, kwacha, Japanese yen, rupee, Iran, in Chago crum her. This is a factory baby near the Abba.
Okay.
It is a Usikada Bruchi. So Usikanaba Nostro, your friend in Nostro, a call Nostro account to more America, Britain. Won't me Maha MG cash in our hat. Yanyanisa, because we are a now will say currency. Samra we John Cano, John would name say a Tinemoache. Ya Tinemoa be do 20 something, 2015 or the thing. I will order that. Now, and Nano yes say, and Yamaya say, Kakran, and go for so for Quetiquanzo. Any money be somewhere, Emma. Cedi now wanting a coffin. Yeah, can could do 10.95 years. And any supply and demand non American. Everyone go for Shashia and no almost speculative trading, almost for Bania Beggy. And this year, per se, money, the problem, no. And yet, you say, don't I know about Bini Akofabo?
But you made mention of speculative trading as against the real needs of the genuine business people. At this particular point in time, you don't think, sir, kind of speculativeness, say dollar no idea be kosoro and to be near this man. You don't think, sir, one of the major factors are driving the dollar to that end?
Obey 1983, 1984, 1985, economic recovery. Any financial sector reform, I was part of the team. The speculation would always be there. India will say, we supply and so demand. Maybe I will supply no demand any equity. Then you have people speculating on pricing. Now, Bekaya make our sense of Bekaya. It will be 206 President for 4 times. For the time when you said for Cedi crashing dollar. Come on, because not Cedi need dollar, not Cedi no holding crowd was losing dollar.
That was during the currency devaluation period.
And I'm sure 2006 thereabout. Yeah. Into one say a economy near the open a kind me musu sabro for no kind to media when the fundamentals are wrong. Fundamentals mean say we supply and demand, we so demanded also supply. Period. And this is one one per supply and more. No be a person credit be money, will be a credit be why and crow kuma. To be I am one. And to me tomatoes, no me made a co waga, mistake Obisa. You told the good Itam, your car gets even, you the call a guy cotton. Ni ma make cotton, no, Omudu border, near Sasania Mouse City. Now this will just say for the seed number. Hold on. I didn't see the engineer here tomatoes. I had to tomato from Burkina Faso. In the engineer, as or minor, you did for near my baby home. You did for near my baby home. As I said, Marasso, see a 30-year project near my person and say, yeah, no, a Disicabeba for Manonisicabeba, Musica Wayedi. Yeah, yes, Armenia. I say we are come 17, 28, 2013, 2014, it will be quite near see a movie. I couldn't go $1. It will be the title. One part 2014. Do it. Yes, will be a grand. I call joy. The Korea program. Na me catch on say. As someone can antisa. O mami be foreign currency account. Na me $1 betuma. It says me $1. Undi me mam city. As someone we go check me na go kan. 2014 ko radio na ko e. Behavior na ye did let break. Yen said Ghana for say ye be. Monsan mu de papa no kan ye ntie. E ya de wo ye ho. Na ye nyina no ye mpesi ye hwe e kwan a ye beboa ama Amanonisika the Yenny P, no mana, which is as my idea. Then you know the anyone said the Bubia so than what to do so or TV so, hey, any CD no cost $1 no cost for Yakopia in ya. I didn't anyone win ya. Won't confirm my win ya. And maybe here foreign exchange auction 1 and 2. If you will be here, go to a draw near what price at the amount. Ubicoto, and maybe a near Bob Bonnie Pena near the amount. Yeah, running about 3 years or Coma. Because you will say near maybe why a necessity. Yet the end is say any be will be at me. Obi to far dear be do chroma. Send on Muya you. And then as I move a plastic and then more fry be do chroma. You bet me be wow. You bet me be more than 1 hour. Now I'm American government, and I have research no catch you bet me and more you bet me be why you brave that you know who because your face will be from what the Baswati, I never quite a woman, Ghana 40 as say. Import be out the Bebano, a human who go, you dig more. Who give or Mudia more honor, or more for Nippon Piamo, any a fall, any other factories near the now the Okotoba, South Okotoba, you didn't do
but John, so Bounus a Ghana has as well. Yankazaya 80 memofui. Ya develop some taste for other foreign goods. Now, Empono Ghana.
Me Jawano. 1983, Nami was school no more abroaches. 1970, because school abroaches, 1979. Say, a combat, it's a one. No more
Yellow corn.
And no Yana.
Ghana Hana.
China man, so be a developed taste, you know. Who affluence, who power, and who develop taste. Now, say any and cramo. And a mona yediano, the Macquarie man, a mantin in the other good woman. Who yet now? Who yet now? Crobia, Tiniman won't be any team me. In fact, what near my home.
Because to support a some now who can say, no, because Nigeria for a baby tremono, not one more cramo, but this time around, no, the importation of a year and more into Nigeria, no, there's a ban on it because yes, because Sabre Nigeria and Kasankasano kwa one kase diomumu womudi, but I don't know if it's as a result of a lack of political will and because of the selfish interest of some business people within that kind of space.
Afena Okasa. Say Papa Obasanjo. Obasanjo is one of the leading GMO power in Nigeria. Offense can one fan koto and die wa abritri. Offense can one fan koto die and one fan man go abritri. Or the developer are Greek. Oh, and the other many cancer see a position man ko yanwi o man who can it. So you I have the pass what kind Nigeria mo. First we can go for tiase. When me say Oman and my to Kaya, I'm so covered by a boy to two board him. When him said, I'm mono, a mono go for the so many bunny of 2 board him. Nigeria for 2 borders, no money more way club. Oh, dear. Oh, now, Minia, as some what can dear pine, what can some Cassian walk of farmer? Yeah, you are my dear. Yeah, young Casa, you be a one bro. You be a one bro, make come station so. I didn't in Nigeria would cook a go to Midiamo. Check what Kaya or Mopano, no more crack which pa. I think by 1990 something, and only said there be maize bread. Okobusa nurses so. We obusa food dietitians now. Maize bread more nutritious than flour bread. So you bet some will be as in an go be more. Into one and quash your corny and okay, as I see what someone what can some cassia. Nyame more na kan koso Kenyans or some because in Govoka Crepi, Govopi in a Kenyans or some say they walk on. Well, my example, I am with the past, and we can't come back to Nigeria. So now, what can I say? We were history or one master or paper. I didn't Nigeria because of it. It's why I did. Why I did. Conversation. What being Yamemo, Nadia Wokano, also ye because my Yama Mian Kamu, yet ye, Uchima, Beba, no mano, ye beck me who ye ankra. Body of hill, and I'm a co baby, Mamma can't be a cotino, embassy CB. Almost for I'm no meeting. What has Mamma Kajame? Almost a crobity said, a branch could be no test of honor. Yeah, a branch could be no test of O'Brien. What must I bring in the Kajame? What's a man here? I'm a crab brew, and I took walk to have a Ghana. Running a Kajame. But that's as a week, I say, you. They say, that's a way, Bronia, some of my friends, no only a share of such a woman of Yamas. Many didn't come on the committee, you know, you're very sudden, you're near before, you didn't go on to more Ghana for, what you're Motihana Mokasa. A branch in any bread, and I will give Bagari da, what the Yemen's one of the fire. And then you giving you one soon be with her, you did be a millet, you did be a bro. Hey, Milia, I remember some head, you know. Yes, I need to see the you see any dollar Jimmy, power Jimmy. One will be a dam, no, ever firing. And then you see a dam, I beg you, on the or desert is who. What can be a dam, next to the firing air. Next road, and your basket food, no, food basket, any a central region, any brass. Yeah, your food basket, no, a call, no, for a honor be an indifferent call, would you breathe, would you military, would you mockery. Well, yeah, you have a jump over via dam, tomatoes, Ubekaya, you buy a near Guno, near Guno, because we be so crabby, we know the Bible of Chroma, and now when the tomatoes beef could be near the Nano Crabby, but could be a buyer, I say, said the have tomatoes not pro. Hey, Miriam, and what can also, but I say, because from the conversation, what I get that, and a small check I've just done, then I say, $1 no aquatri Ghana because commercial banks demand for over $300 million, but Bank of Ghana no only $100 million. I don't know, sir. Baba Bimuno, the woman animal, you can't Latin, no more that's non-cohabet. No one claims what he hasn't got. No more that's non-cohabet. No one claims only
SOMPA FM.
Only so or the Baba Nancy and Ohono. Yana Mukacha was intervened. What do you mean intervene? Quarterback 4 billion. They say 825. Only because one here, a bedroom ribino. Yen yes, Shikakura and craft sango, and in a beer book. It's one also as woman any coffin. And in the 8 years, say, a babia was so. Oma and near my year cotton woman on it. Ah, so your top by there, who call by anybody in the good London. If we South America, we go home. You mean for by then, we are quiet the getting body and getting I want to say, I say, Ghana, I say, jokers. We are joking in this country. Yeah. Why are they? Nepal said, when you're journalists, I come and say, maybe I'm a yeah, no. We are jokers in this country because politicians wrong. Me adia me hunu na say before mo bebo aban mo no there are some businessmen na wo mo take kire a wo mo de o musika support and if they come to power no o mo ba power sa wo mo businesses no o mo ntimi ngunu da na be wo obi dia kokko aba tie obi di kuko funu aba wa boa mo atoka amawo ama dia ya campaign be na obi na djuma sa so ma me kan so woni ba so ma me kan sim ya kire what the near man about when you be a toka, mamma. Better work with you, and see, Asama okay, really working on the SOMPA. Only one of the people are Minowakasa, dear, make kind of work. Why are they? Because woman, Madame for Biwo, Madame for Pa, your friend Mr. Chumesi, the late Chumesi, former managing director of one of the bank. Was he any chest medicine? Ghana for the chest medicine. Woman ya kukudro. Uzoka kukudro sama. Ukapa ya si asumesi. Mimi no say over tia. Mene nano mene mo kasa yuye. Mesi mimi obi kodi obi. Papa no di politicians. Na mesi mini di o matem. What you come ha talk to want to see Burkina Faso. Na nyame do beto e forest bel say dey nyame me say nyame what ya ye mo si ma bregu
because now no na me hear me search be na search na kra kire say eye Ghana hakra no ase Burkina Faso ha ya no ye di omo ka eye ye friend say ebro bi a yakoje afri omo nsem na me say what me clear am say eti Ghana hapa asasi yantamu ada hoyi yankasa yantimi nwe bro na e wo se ye ko bebi ni ye ko kra bro e ba ye ban mu ha na opanyi mani age ho pa say wo ka do kra na Dr. Richmond ye wie do you foresee say ebe du be December no dollar no betimi atra ebe 12 cedis against the US dollar
dollar no be hover between 10 11 12 20 11 12 one ebegina because one day adeba kwa dollar ne say ya nkofo pii hu ya na o msi ye nchebin no and then the cover inflation chichi di bi na about 54% no because you know we say you ya kra bibia nti ko kraba Cedi na ho de wo form no akofa dollar na wakoto mo na de aba wo ba na wo be calculate your money price ne dollar ni Cedi na ya bre and then the cost you inflation and you have crowd do nti na ya na wo mo say you need to inflation in the because you call inflation I'm said you do it 12 if you go by 11 and 10
yeah
you go be a check
but one of these days we'll have this conversation to shape the narrative Ghana because we have to tell the politicians the truth. We have to speak truth to power. Na sadia na woni eye wo munyai na Ghana drastic measures are Nigeria ni aman bi afa won enam so asabri wo bonkasa ho atomo wo mu dua di omu die no na Ghana yetimi afa sa kwan ne bi so aboa yankasa ho anti Dr. Richmond Etuahene yabeda wase nyame nkoso nhira na oma wa hoden na ekun ye a wo kun ye ase every emresanti ni a still yampanyin for ntie no ye de ya bank na ha SOMPA ye be ka kire omo will not fear anybody ye da se pass ye no kasai yo ebushafo ye ne Dr. Richmond Etuahene wa ye banking consultant and I say you know no edi